In today's video, I show you how you can earn $6 per song you listen and make money online. If you only listen to 10 songs a day, you will earn $60. If you listen to 20 songs a day, you will earn $120 and you can earn. The first thing you need to do is go to Google and type the name of this website here in the search bar. It's called Free Music Archive, and this is the logo from this website. Now click on the first link here and then you will be taken to this page. So now click on this blue box in the Free Music Archive category, because we are not creating any projects. We are basically just listening to free music. This website loves exactly the same songs here and earn money doing it. Let me show you the payment certificates of people who are making money every day with this method. There are many people who earn money from this website every day. Now let's first create our account here. Secret types of novels that I use so that you can earn the most. After you click on the sign up button, I ask you to fill in this easy information like your full name, email and password here, and then check I'm not a robot and hit register. And after you verify your email, just enter your email and password here and click sign in, and your new account will look like this here. Turns out you'll see your name, and if you scroll down here you'll see some recent signs. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. This website offers you, and here are some other songs, but this is what I want you to pay attention to, because the songs in these styles are what make us money. Also, if you have an Android phone, you can also download this website. App available in Google Play Store. In my case, I will only use my computer here, but it's up to you, because this website works on any device. The way this website works worldwide, important no matter what country you are from. Here's the first tip for you. So go to the top of the page and click here where it says genres. Don't worry about any of that, just click on the first one, and as you can see we have different genre here, such as historical songs, pop, country, rock songs and etc. Now I want you to pay attention to me here, because I'm going to show you how I actually make money myself, because I've seen a lot of people on YouTube teaching how to make money with a website similar to this one, but often they don't work because they show you the right strategies. They don't give like what they show you today. So now you can ignore all these genres. The genre that I have had the most success with and that brought me the most income is the pop genre. Of course, you can try all of this yourself if you like, but in this video, that's what we're going to focus on. Let's click on it and check it out now before we go any future. Let me even do it. A quick search here on Google, what is the #1 music genre. As you can see, pop is the most popular music genre world. So what we will do here is to listen to some of these songs and then download them, and don't worry, nothing will be complicated. Beginners who have never made money online can do it. Now imagine earning money just by downloading and listening to songs. You can earn money even while you are driving in your car, or even doing it in your spare time. Now we will show you how to get paid just by listening and downloading this song from here. But first I want you to download some beautiful signs from here. As you can see, we have hundreds of and thousands of signs here, but obviously we are not going to listen and download all of them. We only download the best signs. Now click here where it says date added and select this other option. It will show us the best thing on the website. Now let's try the first thing here, and to listen to it, just click on the icon here. Now after listening to the whole sign, start playing, then just click on the orange box that say I understand and I agree, and as you can see, it starts downloading on my computer. You can also try other signs and keep doing this until you find one that you like. It is very important to choose the signs you like and then download it. Go to this website at this point. The website we will use for the next step is called fileupload.com. Basically, this website pays you when you upload files to it that you can upload. Here are the video images of the sign, etc., and you get paid for it. And obviously what we will upload here today is the sign. Here is my sign I downloaded from the previous website. Once you upload sign on the site, all you have to do is send that link to your friends so they can listen and download the sign from that link. Once they do, they will be paid $7. I show you exactly how this works. I do work, and I'll show you secret tip that you don't need to follow big social media or anything like that. As you can see here, if people who download the sign from you are from this country like US, UK and Canada, you will earn $7. And if they were from Saudi Arabia and UAE, you will earn $3. You will also receive $3 in fees from other country. But don't worry, I show you how to get just $7 downloads so you can get to big numbers much faster. The account where you resell your file, which is about with music, to make money after you start producing this website, is completely free. And if you go here and click on proof of payment, you will see for yourself how much money people are making here. They earn every day. Here you can see that they currently have over 600,000 people on this website, and the total payout is over $700,000, which is very close to $1 million. First, create an account. For this, just click on register and fill in this information: your username here, your email address, your password. Re-enter your password and click here. One of choose this payment method so they can pay you in PayPal. You can also receive your money with digital currencies such as Bitcoin, but my suggestion is PayPal account, so create a PayPal. Then click on I am not a robot to create your account. Back to your account. Now click on upload files so we can upload your signs here. If the size of your horoscope is small, the descent will be much faster. Here the download link is create copy this link and send it to people so they can download the sign from it, and after doing this you will get paid. But don't expect to earn a lot of money with just one sign of yours. You have to do this method with lots of signs. Now the last step in this video is how to get traffic and people download your signs will. It's not hard. Just go to Facebook and search for Facebook groups. For example, music is related, and you can send your link and earn money with this method. If you are looking to earn more money, be sure to watch this video.